First, I'm going to apply some of my Blue Magic Hair Conditioning Grease onto my hair. I will be leaving all the items that I used to get my quick model audition look together. I'll leave it in my description box. Next, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to put that on my hair as well. This is going to get my hair nice and sleek so that I can pull it up into a nice ponytail so I can add my drawstring ponytail on. After I finish brushing my hair up into the desired height I want my ponytail to be, I'm going to apply a rubber band to secure it, and then I'm going to twist the end of the ponytail and wrap it around. Okay, for the last step, prior to me putting on a drawstring ponytail, I'm going to take my Creme Argan Oil Edge Control, and I'm going to apply that around the edges of my hair and the back of my head. And then I'm going to brush that in as well, just to give it that extra sleekness so that this ponytail is flawless. I already combed out my drawstring ponytail, so now I'm just applying it to the ponytail that I made with my real hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure that down. I pulled the drawstring as tight as I could. I wrapped the drawstring around, and now I'm securing it down with some bobby pins. And I did make a little twist with some gold coil wire just to kind of give the ponytail a little bit of jazz, or whatever you want to call it, because it was looking a little dull. So I'm just going to take that piece and wrap it around and secure that down as well with the bobby pin. So now that that's finished, I'm going to go ahead and comb this bad boy out one last time, add a little bit of heat to it, and that is all for the hair look. To prime my face, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Face Primer. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all on my face because it is very, very hot outside. My pores are super open right now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and that's going to keep my skin from having excess oil build up on it. Now I'm going to do my brows. I do have several brow tutorials on my YouTube channel with almost every makeup look that I do. So if you want to refer back to that for help with your brows, please feel free to do so. So this is like the craziest thing. Whenever I do my brows in a hurry, these babies come out so perfect, no flaws. I don't have to take off any concealer, take off any eyebrow pencil and do it over and over again. They literally just be like, bam, I do my steps to make my brows and they're just like flawless. I don't understand that. When I sit down and take my time to do them, they always have some little type of error that I need to fix up, or I'm doing them at least 2 to 3 times. So maybe I just might need to tell myself like, oh, you're in a hurry, do these brows and they'll probably just come out right every time. I just really wanted this video to be like a true to self, super real, realistic, raw type of video showing you everything that I'm going to be doing today for this modeling audition. So with me just continuing to show you guys the brows, it's only because I just want you guys to see what I did to get ready. Now, like I did mention earlier, if you do need some help with a brow tutorial, I do have several of them on my YouTube channel where you can refer back to them, and I will actually explain step by step how I got my brows. For my foundation, I'll be using Black Radiance's Color Perfect Makeup Foundation, and it's in the shade Cocoa Bean. This foundation right here has always been so bomb to me. Like, it has never failed me. I've used it for so many years. It actually was my first makeup foundation. It blends in my skin so perfectly, and it's super affordable. Now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses by Kiss mineral powder, and it's in the shade Cognac. I'm just doing a double set only because of the weather outside. I don't want my makeup to run. I do have a lot of things to do today outside. So now for the final set, I'll be using my Nika K's Perection setting spray, and now I'm going to be using my LA Colors mascara to make my eyelashes pop a little bit. So as you can see, it's a very super natural and quick look. I am going to a modeling audition, so I don't want to overpower my face with so much colors or heavy makeup. Okay guys, and this is the final look, baby. We are ready to go and slay and ready to go and walk that runway and do what we do best, and that is to work. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I am officially on my way to go and pick up my headshots first from Walgreens that Trigger Media took for me for the audition. I do have to have my black top on, my blue bottoms. I did a simple hairstyle and simple makeup, of course. And also, I got my black heels, you know, so we're going to be walking the runway. We're going to be like, we're going to be strutting our stuff down there. So we're going to see what they're talking about in here. Hopefully, you know, your girl make it. We'll see. But my thing right now is that I'm giving everything all I have. I'm not gonna limit myself to 1 to 2 auditions or 1 to 2 events. You know, I got my hands in a lot of stuff. I'm back to modeling. Definitely with my whole affordable beauty campaign. I do have my YouTube channel that's up and running, which I'm obviously posting this video on today, this vlog today on, you know, so definitely I'm trying to make something happen this time, and you know, not give up, just follow my dreams and let my daughters know that no matter what happens, you can always keep going, you know, never give up. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna pick these headshots up, and then I'm gonna be on my way to the facility. So I have some bad news. I went to go print out my headshots from Walgreens, and they're telling me it's going to take about maybe another 27 minutes for me to get them. The model call started at 11. I'm running a little bit behind today, so it's like, you know, I'm trying to figure out, do I wait for my headshots or do I just go ahead to the audition? And I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead to the audition and then see if there's some possible way, if they do want me and they like me, if I could just go ahead and bring my headshot with me or email my headshot to them, you know, via email. So we'll see what's going on and what they're talking about, but your girl is not gonna stop here. I'm definitely gonna try to make it to this audition and definitely show them what I have to offer. I made it down here. I'm not sure if they're still accepting auditions, but I'm gonna go ahead and see. I'm definitely super excited. I'm a little nervous at the same time, but guess what? I'm here to show them that I didn't come to play. I'm here to show them that I came to work, and definitely, you know, being from all the way from New York City in Memphis, I definitely have to try to let these guys know that I'm not playing no games. No games whatsoever. Your girl is gonna knock them dead, and guess what? I'm gonna let you know how it went when I come right back. Now you hear, you know, my Michael Kors here stomping, yes. Yeah, check these babies out, yes. Okay. Hopefully Michael Kors give me some luck today. Like, this is really my first time going to a modeling audition, so this is definitely a little different. Usually I just tell people I want to be in the show. They tell me, send them a headshot, a body shot, and then, like, that's it. And my measurements. Whew. Okay, we're almost here. It's so hot too. It's probably about 80-something, 90 degrees right now. All right, guys, well, here it is. Your girl made it. All right, let's show them what I got. I did it, oh my God, I did it. Lord, I gave that runway fire, baby, fire. I came to work. I came to work. You can't tell me nothing on that little walkway, baby. Look, let me tell you something. Even if I don't make it today, guess what? Your girl did her thing. You know, let's speak positive vibes, positive energy into the universe, because your girl got this. I got this. I didn't fall. These Michael Kors shoes did me justice. I was stomping and stomping. I was the pose queen, baby. Yes, yes, baby. Work, work. Now it's time to finish the rest of my day, guys. Thank you for tuning in with me today for my first official vlog on my beauty channel. You guys saw me get ready for the audition. You guys saw me making it to the audition, and you guys saw me after the audition. So anyways, definitely look for more vlog videos from your girl because I'm definitely about to take off soon. Bye.